Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 88 of AP MSET 17th September second shift paper. Okay, in this question it is asked us the triple point of water is. See, if you look at the question you can't even understand a single point about what he is asking. Is it about temperature? Is it about pressure? Something else. For that you have to look at the options. So he is asking about the temperature. But if you look at the options, see this is 273.16 degree Celsius and this is 273.16 Kelvin. Plus, see if you look at this option, that is 273.16 degree Fahrenheit. So these three values are same but units are different. So you have to be careful while solving these kind of problems. If you look at the fourth option, it is given 0.15 Kelvin. So you have to be careful while solving these kind of problems in which the units are very important. So to solve this one, you should know what is actually triple point of water. If you look at this figure, see this is known as triple point of water, where water, solid and vapor are coexistence. It means that at this point all three phases of are available, that is ice, that is solid, liquid and vapor form. So at this point what is the temperature? If you look at this one, so it is nearer to 0 degree Celsius. Remember 0 degree Celsius, not 0 degree Kelvin. So we know that 0 degree Celsius is equals to 273.16 Kelvin. So option 2 will be our right answer. The triple point of any substance is that where the temperature and pressure at which the material can exist in all three phases: solid, liquid and gaseous in equilibrium. Specifically, the triple point of water is 273.16 Kelvin and the pressure is 611.2 pascals. So you have to remember this point. In the next year question this might be asked. So this is below 1 bar, that is below atmospheric pressure.